Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel Toiletterian. I try to bring to your attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell good. At least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So today I have another unboxing, first impression plus an update for you, and this update is for Jaguar Unlimited Power. This one came out 2021. Is one of the latest Jaguar releases. They have many in their collection right now, and this one is the latest one, and this is EDT 100 ml. You can find it under £20, sometimes even cheaper, under £15, which is, for the money, is quite good. It lasts you around 5 to 6 hours. If you put it on t-shirt, maybe you can push it up to 7 hours. In terms of projection and sillage, it's quite moderate. It doesn't shout loud. It's not a big performer. It's not a big, you don't get a big cloud, but it's okay. It's maybe an arm length for first hour, and then slowly subside and becomes almost skin scent by maybe third hour. So it's one of those is moderate to a weak performer in terms of longevity and in terms of projection. In terms of value for money, is very good. The smell is okay. So when it opens up, you think this is another Creed Aventus clone. Okay, it just basically hits you. So wow, this is another Creed Aventus, but that Creed Aventus similarity is just for the 5-10 minutes, and that's it. After that, it would change. And the reason is because there is a huge blast of citruses plus mint in here, which, you know, obviously Aventus doesn't have. Aventus got citruses plus pineapple, but this one, instead of pineapple, it's got the mint. So the mint is huge. So that similarity for the first 5-10 minutes, it could be a little bit misleading. So okay, this is another clone of Creed Aventus, but this is not. So the similarity ends there, that's it. After that, it goes to the mid, which is dominated by sea notes or aquatic notes, and it gives a little bit of aquaticness, a little bit of sea saltiness, and also a little bit of aromatic feel because of the lavender in here. And then it goes to the dry down, which is quite woody and a little bit of muskiness as well. So in terms of composition, it's quite simple, but it's nice for this time of year, for summer, for warmer weather. It is easygoing. It's basically, you don't have to think about it, just put it on and that's it. With this one, you need more to get a good performance. Okay, you need at least 10 plus sprays to get about 6-7 hours. If you put less than that, it won't last you that long. On t-shirt, you go up to 7 hours. You know, if you put combination of t-shirt and skin, it will go up to 7 hours. Who is it for? This is, again, ageless, anytime, anywhere, on the casual side, obviously, and also warmer side of the, you know, year. So summer, spring, this is much more suited. But if you're like me, you can wear your fragrances anywhere, anytime you like. Would I recommend it? Yes, to some extent, if you like this kind of fragrances, especially the first blast up to the initial blast. Apart from that Aventus feel, the mint is huge and big. So the mint, yeah, the combination of mint and the citruses stays there for a very long time. I mean, almost for an hour and an hour and a half, which is quite impressive, because usually with citrus and mint, it won't last you that long, for obvious reason, because they are quite lighter compound and they would disappear from your skin quicker. But with this one, it stayed there for a respectable amount of time. So overall, it's quite nice. It is okay, it's nice, but it's not, again, it's not a groundbreaking. It's nothing to say this is amazing or something like that. No. So if you like this kind of fragrances, this is quite good, especially for the money. Okay guys, let's go to the today's unboxing and first impression, and this is Zara. Yes, I haven't done Zara for a while and it was just about time to do it. And this is Zara Vetiver Pamplemousse. Okay, Vetiver Pamplemousse. Apparently Pamplemousse means grapefruit in, is that French or Greek? Something like that. So Pamplemousse, it means grapefruit. So basically it's a combination of grapefruit and vetiver. With this line of Zara, which you get, it's a collaboration between Zara and Jo Malone. The quality is supposed to be better, the smell is supposed to be better, because obviously Jo Malone is a niche brand from London, and they are quite renowned for being quite natural feel to their fragrances, plus simplicity. They don't go for a complex fragrance. They usually have 1, 2, 3 maximum of basically oils together, and that's it. They don't go too complex, too sophisticated. So let's see what happened. So this is a gift box. Retails for £35 in the UK. I paid less than that because it was on the summer sale, and I paid, I think, about £20 or something like that for it. And opens up like, okay, so quite a simple, very good. Come on, don't disappoint me. Alright, so simple presentation, simple box. This is a bigger 90 ml EDP, and this is a 10 ml or 15 ml EDP. Is it 15? 10 plus 15, I think. Sorry, 90 plus 15 ml. So together 105 ml. For the retail 35, but as I said, I paid less than that for it in the sale, and I thought I have to basically go for it and see how it smells, because I'm a big fan of vetiver and also citruses, and I see how it goes. Okay, so let's go with the smaller one, which is a 15 ml Vetiver Pamplemousse or Eau de Parfum, and this is from their special line, which is a collaboration between Zara and Jo Malone. Here we go. Okay, the spray is okay, it's not bad. Alright, here we go. First impression for Zara Vetiver Grapefruit, shall we say, Pamplemousse. Okay. So basically the citruses are huge in here. It's quite citrusy right now. Well, this is first impression, first sniff. Opens up super citrusy. I'm not getting that much vetiver right now. It's tiny bit in the background. You can feel some woody and earthy aspect. But right now it's citrus. Wow, what an opening. The opening, if you are a fan of citrus, this is gorgeous. Just blast of that grapefruit, plus it smells like something else in there, not just a grapefruit, like a lime, or maybe a mandarin orange, or maybe even a lemon. So it's a combination of few citruses in here, because grapefruit on its own doesn't smell like this. This is a combination of few citruses. Yeah, so a combination of few citruses, but the grapefruit is there, you can detect it as well. And also earthy, woody backbone right now, but I don't get that much vetiver right now. Maybe in the dry down it will come out more. Okay, yeah, overall it's quite simple. As I said, with the Jo Malone fragrances, they are simple anyway, but this one right now is quite simple, straightforward citrus for now, plus this bit of woody and earthy aspect. So right now is simple. Okay, I cannot say good or bad thing because it's so simple. But it's refreshing, it's fresh, it's inviting, it's uplifting, it's basically citrus. Yeah, when you put a citrus on, this is the feels you get. And also it's very summery, it's very warmer weather fragrance, warmer weather, something that to cool you down basically. Yeah, so for first impression it's nice, but I'm not crazy about it. But let me see what happens to dry down, because if the vetiver comes out more and it becomes quite a nice vetiver, then yes, because I'm a big fan of vetiver. But right now the vetiver is so faint, you can hardly detect it. So far so good for citruses, citrus. Okay, all right guys, thank you very much for joining me. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, if you find it entertaining, if you find it informative, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this with other people, and also hit that bell button for future uploads. It won't cost you anything, but you show me support and you show me love. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.